Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Kanban board in Smartsheet. All right, so first up, if you don't have any workspace, you can go ahead and go to Home, click on the plus sign, scroll all the way down and just click on Board. Now, if you already have a workspace, you can go back to Home, All Workspace, select your workspace, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you can now go ahead and go to the top left, click on Add to Workspace. And here, select Sheet, and then go ahead and click on Board, okay? Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, here you have your Kanban board, okay? Where you can just easily click on Add a lane if you want to, okay? Maybe trash. There you go. These are just the sample tests that you can just easily drag and drop, okay? And if you want to change your view as well, you can now go ahead and go to the top left, click on View. You can switch to Table, Grid, Card, or Calendar, okay? Rename the sheet or the Kanban, just Kanban, like so. And then once done, if you want to add in some cards, you can go ahead and hover over a card right here. And at the bottom, you have the plus sign. And just give it a title, maybe create a video. Hit on enter, and there you have it. Okay, you can click on it, click on the three dots, and edit the details, like so. You can go ahead and add in a description, assign to, select the person, status, it could be backlog, or move it to in progress, right here. There you go. Priority, high, at rest if you want to. Add in the files, click on Browse, double click, wait for it. And if you want to as well, you can go ahead and add in a comment. All right. Hit on Send. There you go. Once that's done, you can now go ahead and close this one. No need to click on a Save button. There you go. As you can see, this specific card got a comment and an attachment. So whenever someone clicks on the attachment pin right here, there you go. They will be able to check the specific attachment, comments. There you go. And that's basically it. You have these options as well at the top, comfortable, or this one is the preview version. Okay, condensed, like so, wide, comfortable. Condensed is, I like this one. Okay, separate cards or nested child cards. You can go ahead and select that as well. There you go. Format rules, you have that option as well. And if you want to, you can go ahead and create charts with AI. Okay, click on the gear icon and you have the date range settings, years, resource management, and other options. Okay, and there you have it. Once you're happy with your Kanban, you can go ahead and click on share and share the Kanban itself or the sheet. Or if you want to share the whole workspace, you can go ahead and click on workspace. And that's it for now. That's how you create a Kanban board in Smartsheet. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.